Okay, so we're going to have a look at transposition cipher. Now, transposition cipher is where you are rearranging the letters in such a way that it will make the message hard to read, but that it can be then obviously decrypted. So we're going to look first of all at a method called rail fencing. Okay. Now, if we take a message, let's go for a song. Okay, so what we're going to do to then encrypt that, first of all, you would need to decide on how many lines you want to split your message over, 2, 3, 4, or so on. I'm just going to do 2 just to make it easier. So if I just draw a line here so you can see. So I'm going to start at the here with the first letter, and then I'm going to keep alternating up and down. Okay, and then what we would do is we would take that first line and write that out, so that would become and then we go from the second line here. And that is your encrypted message. Okay, so here's an example of some ciphertext, and I will tell you that this again has used 2 lines. So if you want to, you could pause the video and have a go and see if you can work out what the message is, or if you can't be bothered, then just watch on and watch me have a go. So I'll start off just to make it easy for myself. I'm just gonna rule the line. Okay, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to leave a gap and put my next letter here. Okay, and so on. Okay. So notice I've stopped here. Now if you count all of those letters, we have 18 letters, and I have 9, which is half. So I'm going to write the other half of the letters on the bottom line. And then to read it, we would read up and down. Okay. Okay, so we're going to have a look now at another type of transposition cipher, and this is called a root cipher, and it's very similar to the one that we've just done, but you would have a grid, a grid. Now for the message that we've just done, I'm using the a 6x3 grid would work. So we would write in our message, always going down. Okay, and put those in. There we go. And then you would read across to get your encrypted message. So that would become there we go. Okay, now obviously to make that harder to decipher, what you could also then do is use your key from earlier. So if we have, so we can use the same substitution cipher that we used before with the keyword groundhog, and then we would then encrypt each of those letters. So we would start with the S, and then so that would become, according to this one, that would become X. The I would become M. The M would become P, and so on, and you would finish that off. I'll do that without you watching to make it quicker. Okay, so I've finished off the message with that substitution cipher. So this is the one that would be sent, and then if you know that you've used a root cipher 6x3 and the keyword is groundhog, you'd be able to decrypt that. For your task this week, I'm going to send you a message. I'll give you a keyword, and then I want you to decode that for me and send me the answer back. Okay, well done for today. Thank you for listening. Take care.